Imagine for a second that you're 38 years old. You're sitting at your desk, looking at your bank account, and you realize something life-changing. You realize that you never, ever have to save another penny for your retirement again. Not 1 cent. From this day forward, every dollar you earn is yours to spend. You could quit that high-stress corporate job tomorrow, you could move to a beach in Portugal, work part-time at a surf shop, or finally start that passion project you've been putting off for a decade. And the best part? Your retirement is already fully funded. Sounds like a dream, right? Or maybe a scam? Well, it's neither. It's a very real financial milestone called Coast FI. I'm Miles, and this is Miles to Millions. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how you can stop saving for retirement before you hit 40 without risking your future. We're diving into the math, the mindset, and the why behind Coast FI. Let's get into it. We've all been told the same story, haven't we? Work hard for 40 years, save 10 to 15% of your income, pray the stock market doesn't crash right before you turn 65, and then, finally, you get to enjoy your life. That's the delayed gratification trap. You're trading your best years, your highest energy, and your health for a maybe in the distant future. But what if we flipped the script? What if, instead of sprinting for 40 years, you just sprinted for 10 or 15 and then coasted the rest of the way? Coast FI is the point where you have enough money invested in your retirement accounts that even if you never contributed another dollar, your portfolio would still grow to provide you with a comfortable retirement by the time you reach standard retirement age. It's all thanks to the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest. Think of your retirement savings like a massive snowball at the top of a mountain. In the beginning, you're sweating, you're pushing, and it feels like you're barely moving. That's the saving phase. But eventually, that snowball gets big enough, then it gains enough momentum that it starts rolling on its own. When you hit Coast FY, you've reached the point where the snowball doesn't need you to push it anymore. Gravity, or in this case, market returns, takes over. Now let's look at some numbers, because numbers don't lie. Let's say you want to have $2 million by the time you're 65. That's your full FIRE number. If you're 35 years old right now and you already have about $250,000 invested and we assume a 7% inflation-adjusted annual return, guess what? In 30 years, without you adding a single extra dime, that $250,000 grows to roughly $1.9 to $2 million. You're 35, you're done. You've won the retirement game 3 decades early. Now, I know what you're thinking. Miles, I don't have $250,000 just sitting around. And that's okay. The beauty of Coast FI is that the younger you start, the less you actually need to reach that coasting point. If you start at 25, your Coast FI number is significantly lower because you have more time for compound interest to work its magic. Time is the ultimate leverage. And this is where things get really interesting. Most people hear financial independence, and they think it means retiring early. They think they have to stop working entirely. But Coast FI is different. Coast FI is about freedom of choice. Once you hit your Coast FI number, you only need to earn enough money to cover your current living expenses. You don't need to save for the future because the future is already taken care of. Think about how much of your paycheck goes toward your 401k, your IRA, or your brokerage account. 20%? 30%? 50%? Suddenly, you've got what feels like a 30% raise in your take-home pay. Or, more importantly, you can afford to take a job that pays 30% less, but makes you 100% happier. This is the barista FIRE, or passion project phase. You can work as a librarian, a coach, a freelance writer, or a gardener. You're working because you want to, not because you have to fund a goal that's 40 years away. Now I want you to do this for yourself. Here's the back of the napkin formula. First, determine your target retirement number. A standard rule is 25 times your annual expenses. Let's say you need $40,000 a year to live. Your number is $1 million. Second, choose your retirement age. Let's say 65. Third, estimate your annual growth rate. 7% is a reasonable long-term assumption for the stock market after inflation. Fourth, work backward. Use a compound interest calculator to see how much you need today to reach that 1 million in X years. If you're 30 and want to retire at 65 with $1 million, You need about $95,000 invested today. That's it. 95,000. If you hit that by 30, you could literally spend every dollar you earn for the next 35 years and still wake up a millionaire at 65. Now, let's be real for a second. Coast FI isn't just about the math. It's a psychological battle. Society is obsessed with more money, more status, more accumulation. Stopping your savings at 40 can feel wrong, like you're breaking a rule. You'll see friends getting huge bonuses and dumping them into their portfolios while you're using your bonus to take your family on a 3-month trip to Italy or working 4 days a week instead of 5. You have to be okay with being different. Coast FI is for the person who values time more than a massive inheritance. It's for the person who wants to be present for their kid's childhood, not just their college graduation. Before you go out and stop your 401k contributions, we need to talk about the risks. First, lifestyle creep. Coast FI only works if your expenses stay relatively stable. If you decide you suddenly need a Ferrari and a mansion, your Coast FI number evaporates. Second, the market. The 7% return is an average, not a guarantee. There will be years where the market is down 20%. You need the stomach to leave your Coast portfolio alone during the bad times. Don't touch the snowball. Third, healthcare. If you're in the US, you need a plan for insurance if you quit that good corporate job. This is often the biggest hurdle for people looking to coast. So how do you get there? 1. Front load your investments. In your 20s and early 30s, live like a college student. Max out those accounts. Every dollar you invest at 22 is worth way more than a dollar invested at 45. 2. Track your number. Don't guess. Use a spreadsheet. Know exactly where you stand. 3. Define what coasting looks like for you. What would you do if you didn't have to save? Write it down. Make it real. Make it a goal. Coast I changed the way I look at money. It took the pressure off. It turned life from a marathon into a series of meaningful walks. You don't have to wait until you're 65 to start living the life you want. You just need to build a big enough snowball, give it a good push, and then let go. Stopping your retirement savings before 40 isn't about being lazy. It's about being incredibly intentional with the only currency that actually matters, your time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. We're building something special here at Miles to Millions, and I want you to be part of it. Tell me in the comments, what's your Coast FI number? Let's get a conversation going. Miles to go, millions to make. Let's finish the journey together. I'm Miles, and I'll see you at the finish line.